Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to very quickly show you how I doubled the conversion rate on one of my Etsy listings by using ChatGPT to write my product titles and descriptions. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to have ChatGPT write an item title or an item listing title and description for the laundry hamper that you see here on your screen. This laundry hamper is made from plywood, and it's got a number of different features to it that we're going to type into ChatGPT, and we're going to let the AI software write us an SEO-friendly listing. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and it's at chat.openai.com/chat. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in all of the features of my laundry hamper, and I'm going to let ChatGPT do the rest. You want to make sure that you put all the features in, and this ChatGPT is actually quite intelligent. You can split this up into multiple sentences. It will realize that you're still talking about the same thing, and that you're not moving on to some other topic. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so all I'm going to do here is I'm going to type, write me a product listing title and description for a handmade laundry hamper. This laundry hamper is in a farmhouse style, made from strong 3/4 inch birch plywood. This laundry hamper measures, and I don't know the exact measurements, so I'm just going to guess here. I'm going to say 28 inches high by, let's say, 20 inches wide by, I don't know, let's call it 16 inches deep. The laundry hamper is engraved with the word laundry on the front, and the background of the carving is stained to match the laundry hamper's top. This laundry hamper is shipped fully assembled. The hamper's trim and legs are made from sturdy poplar hardwood. The hamper is painted with Sherwin-Williams, I don't know if that's the right use of an apostrophe, but I'm going with it, emerald urethane trim paint, which stands up to years of abuse. The top of the hamper is attached with soft close hinges. Now, this is a pretty boring product description, and it's not very SEO friendly. And that reminds me, I do want to come up here, and I want to, where it says write me a product listing, I want to type in here, write me a SEO friendly product listing. And that way, I've noticed that ChatGPT will reuse keywords. It'll search for some new keywords, and it will really create a listing that stands out. So I've got all of basically my facts here. I'll fix this spelling. My facts about the laundry hamper. So now let's see what ChatGPT can come up with. Okay, so here's the title. Handmade farmhouse style laundry hamper. Birch plywood stained poplar trim soft close hinges. Description. Keep your laundry organized in style with our handmade farmhouse style laundry hamper. This sturdy and durable hamper is crafted from 3/4 inch birch plywood with poplar hardwood trim and legs for added stability. I'll let you read the rest of this as it's typing it out. But as you can see, this is a lot more interesting than what I typed. And when it comes to SEO, ChatGPT is actually adding some keywords that are going to be beneficial for my listing. So that's it. You just copy this, paste it into your listing, and if you have the same results I did, basically this has doubled my conversion on this one listing over the last 30 days. Hope this helps, and we'll see you next time for another tips and tricks video.